Okay, Jason, let's see how you do with this video. No filming copyright material, no taking photos and videos in places where they say don't, which I didn't know at the time. So I've deleted all my videos. I'm going to start again, and this is one called Nature. And yes, I am watching where I'm walking at the same time. Love you, Mum. Love you, Dad. Love you all. So peaceful. The tranquility, the serenity, the flowing water of life, curving around those beautiful stones. If curving's a word, it's probably a better word. Flowing around, flowing over, I don't know. Anyway, streaming. This will be streaming. Probably not. Oh wow. Wow, wow, wow. Oh yeah. Now this is called, don't even need a word, just, guess that's a word. Don't think it's in the dictionary, but sublime. Serenity. Serenity now. I just want to drop my phone in there and watch it just flow through the stream and then pick it up and know it's not a waterproof phone, and so yeah, won't do that. Anyway, I'll shut up. I'll be quiet, forgive me. Not editing that, I will be quiet because I can't edit, but I can be quiet. So just listen to this. Oh yeah, beautiful. Just the formation of these stones that they use to build up the wall. Beautiful. The moss, love it. All the nature from the leaves that fell from the trees. The water built next to the mortar, the bridge that goes to private property, so don't do it, Jason. Oh look, I can stand on this side, not the other side. There are beautiful houses around me, but I don't feel inclined to film people's houses. I can just describe them. They're pretty much cabins, wooden cabins in the woods with a little bit of cement for support and for adding that extra height, which is good. Oh, look at this. This is beautiful. This is where all the algae ends up. further down the stream, which makes sense. So that'd be awesome to slide down. Might hurt your bum though. The streams of dreams. So cool. Sorry, house. I didn't mean to. Forgive me. And this is where it continues. And that is the end of the road, because I can't go any further. I can, but I'd call that, you know what, I'm doing it. I'm going to head down this track and be safe about it. Oh, it's a bit soft. It's very soft. Let me test it out. It's pretty soft. It's not going to be like quicksand, is it? You know what? I'm going with that. I have to get to the end of the road. I really don't want to walk on this grass, but I can't go that way where the tyre is. It's there for a reason. Because it's tired. Oh, sorry grass, forgive me. Okay, it's okay to walk on grass, Jason. You've only done it your whole life. Wow, this feels very soft. A little scary, not really. This feels like quicksand. Anyway, this part will be more supportive, just don't. Anyway. Oh, there's a little trickle of water coming down. I wonder why it feels so soft. Anyway, I'm calling this the end of the road because I don't want to go any further. The water leads to down there over this massive river of sand. Which, what they do with that, I have no idea. But there are lights, so maybe they'll have a baseball game. Okay, back up the hill I go. That was the end of the road. Oh, hello, Mr. Spider. Hello, Mr. or Mrs. Spider. Forgive us. Forgive me. Okay. End of the road. Peace.